Come on, baby, let's go west. Let's go west to the promised land. Take my hand again, load up the car and drive real far. I could play for cash at the Walmart. Don't think twice this time, you know I'm real fond of Oregon. It would rain outside while I write my songs. It don't rain enough around here, and you know it don't. Sunset Drive is quite alright with me, baby, but we can't stay here forever. The future's been too bright for too long, so take some time and get certified. I'll pump the gas and baby, we'll go driving to Interstate 75. So Kaylee, don't be afraid to come with me. There are some things that we need to see, but they're on the other side, where that green grass turns to white. Baby, you and me. When we arrive, we'll take some time to acclimate our state of mind to that new horizon, cross the borderline where folks have to fly to get to us. And we could plant a garden high on that mountain with till railroad ties. We'd sip our coffee slow and we'd wonder why we had always settled before. So Kaylee, don't be afraid to come with me. There are some things that we need to see, but they're on the other side, where that red hair turns to white. Baby, you and me. Baby, you and me. Baby, you and me. Ah, honey, my baby, you and me. It don't rain enough around here. It don't rain enough around here. It don't rain enough around here. It don't rain enough around here.
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. Don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we pave. Can lead the way for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles on the shelf. So don't you their troubles.